Hi guys, it's Arsh, Ellahi, and I'm here today with
Leo. Hi guys.
So this is Leo. So first of all, Leo's very, very nervous about doing this because you don't do videos, do you?
I don't do videos, Arsh, now.
Okay. So Leo has been with me today. So Leo's part of the Elite Property Tribe. He's been with me in the office today. So he's been in a shadowing day. So I've been dragging Leo through. So Leo's what we would call a bit of a technophobe. Is that right?
Just a little bit, Arsh, yeah.
So we've been looking through how we can make it so that he's a little bit more fluent on technology, and also looking at some of the deals that he's done. Now, I went to lunch with Leo, which is part of the, when you come on a shadowing day, we'll go and grab a bite to eat, and did you get a chance to meet? And I was speaking to Leo, so we had Subway.
We did, and I paid for it, Arsh, by the way.
All right, okay.
Be warned, guys, be warned. Don't take Arsh out to lunch.
Bloody, I'm a cheap date for about £4. Right, okay, so anyway, Leo was telling me about, and I said, so Leo, okay, tell me a little bit more about what you're doing in the background. He goes, he goes, since joining the EPT, he goes, if anything, I've picked up some nuggets, but one of the ones that has really made a massive change was something called commercial to residential. And I said, oh, okay, interesting what you're doing. And so Leo, I'll tell you what, instead of me describing, do you want to just tell them a little bit about what you've done since being in the EPT?
Okay, I've been in the EPT now, I think nearly a couple of years, and obviously I've learnt all the different strategies, and the one that caught my eye was the commercial to residential conversion, because it happened that I owned a property which has got a commercial on the ground floor and a big empty space above, which we just use for storage. So since joining the EPT, it gave me the idea to do the commercial to residential conversion. So I looked into it, and long story short, I ended up getting planning permission to build 11 apartments, 9 one-beds and 2 two-beds, which I've since completed, and all rented out, and everything, touch wood, is working fine. And I'm now I bought another unit.
So hang on. Sorry, I'm making that. So you got the unit on the ground floor, which is the restaurant that you said.
The restaurant, Arsh.
How much are they paying a year?
Rent $2,000 a month.
Okay, so 2,000 a month, so it's 24 grand a year.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you got the 11 flats.
Yeah.
How much do they generate in a month?
About 4,200.
Okay, so 4,200, so that is 48,
just under 50, is it?
Okay, so just under 50k.
Yeah.
And so basically that property is now generating 74k a year.
Something like that.
So you've owned the property historically.
Yeah, I have.
And then how much you spend on the refurb?
The refurb cost me just under 200.
Okay, so it cost you 200k. Okay, good. And then you've had it recently revalued, haven't you?
Yeah, 625.
Valued. Okay, so and you've managed to pull quite a bit of money back in your own pocket.
Well, we're on the process of remortgaging it now. Yeah, at 75% LTV. So whatever that is, Arsh.
So it's about best
four
part
something.
450.
Something like that.
Yeah. So you're going to get 450 grand back in, and then as a result, you're using that for the development. So and you've just bought another.
I bought a semi-commercial in Cleveland's, which is 2 shops on the ground floor, which are rented out at the moment, producing 1,100 per month in rent. And then above, we got planning permission to build 3 flats, 2 two-beds and a 1-bed, which they're building at the moment. Should be ready in about a month. How
much are you going to produce on average?
I think the whole thing, Arsh, between the 2 shops and the 3 flats will produce about 27, 28.
So 27, 28. So between the 2 of them, if you look at it, 74 plus 28, just over 100 grand.
6 figures, yeah.
That's income. And then net, after you've taken out any bills of that. But that's a decent salary. You've done that all within the space of 12 to 18 months.
Yeah, about 18 months.
Yeah, 18 months. So fantastic.
And that's all through joining the EPT.
So that is, and the beautiful thing with the EPT is not all about deal sourcing. You've got to sell everything. Now Leo. We've got a member called Theo. So there's Leo actually looked and said, you know what? I've got this empty space, and as a result, now I said to Leo, Did you not want to sell them? He goes, no. He goes, I want to be long term. I want to be cash flow. I want to be generating. And that's a great strategy to have, because, you know, the aim is that he's financially free. These 2 properties alone, financially free. It just so happens that Leo's got a portfolio of properties anyway. And, you know, with the help of the EPT and the EPT members, that's just strengthened his income. Have you been happy in the EPT?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Okay, so one of the things that Leo has done is taken advantage of the shadow day. So here we are in my office. We're just about to shut up shop for the day. But Leo came down. We've learned a little bit more about what he's doing. We're trying to fine-tune his sourcing skills, and so that we can get some more deals over the line. But guys, on that note, first of all, I want to say thank you very much, Leo. Thanks for the quick video. He was very against doing this video, but it's almost a bit of bullying. I wanted him to do this video just purely because it will inspire so many people that, you know, within the space of 18 months, you can produce a 6-figure income, and you've done that just off your own back, and off the back of the refinance. You're not going to have any of the money in your deal in the deals, so they're going to be cash flowing beautifully, providing you a fantastic income for you and your family, and as a result, it works extremely well. So guys, on that, hopefully you be inspired. Hopefully you want to take the same steps as Leo, and if you like the thought of that, all you have to do is go to elitepropertytribe.co.uk. And once again, Leo, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much, Arsh. You've been wonderful. Thank you.
You.